Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you this new lottery website. So this website, you can generate lottery numbers, but the user can deposit and you can place withdrawal and all that. So I'm going to show you how to use this site and how to set it up for yourself or your clients. So as you can see here now, this is the home page of the website. You can see all the content that's already been added for you. You can see total users, total winners, total visitors, the lottery calendar. Okay, then you can see service and all that. Content has been added. No need for you to start adding content for yourself. All the images have been added for you. So next thing is just to log into our account so I can show the user dashboard and how the site actually works. You can see I'm already logged in already. So this is the dashboard. You can see your total balance, total deposit, total withdrawal, total 10. Okay, so let me make a deposit. Okay, let's say I want to deposit 100 USD. So click on proceed. Okay, payment method blockchain. Okay, click on that. Okay, payment of 100 is this address. Okay, then click deposited. Every 100 worth of is currently under review. Your transaction ID, the routes will be created and your investment will be activated on your deposit. Okay. So the admin we have to approve it. You can see your pending depositor here. So the admin will have to approve it. Then the money will be credited in your balance. So next thing is your transactions. Okay, this way you see your transactions and your account. You see your account details here and all that. So let me take back to this dashboard. So this dashboard is actually where you put your lottery number. So this lottery number can be generated from the admin, and when a user actually put the lottery number, the amount actually subtracted from their balance. So that is it that's all about the user side. So let me take you straight to the admin so you can see how admin have access over this website. So this is the admin dashboard. You can see the user, wallet management. You can add new wallets, add the wallet name and the wallet address. So you can see your other wallets. You can see this is the only wallet I have here now, blockchain. Then you can see deposit request. Okay, you can see the deposit request here. This is mine. It's actually pending. So if I have to approve this now, you can see transaction has approved. Okay. Then you can also see send mail to you can actually send mail to a user. So you can send mail to all users or to a particular user. So if you click onto a user, just put the user's email, put the subject and your message, and you click on send. That is that for that. So next thing is to click on settings. Settings, you can change the name of your website, referral bonus, and all that. So for this now, I actually want to generate a lottery number for a particular user. So before I do that, I actually made the deposit and I already approve it. So let me refresh this. It's not balance now, it should be 550. Alright, 550. So let me create a lottery number. So let me create that real quick. Okay, let me assign a number. All right, so let me generate a new number for new lottery number. Okay, okay, just copy this, then go back to your account, then you paste this here, and click on proceed. Oh, lottery number is invalid. Okay, sorry. Let me go back here. I think I didn't copy that right. The correction number was accepted. We get back to you in 24 hours. So, when the end of the lottery and you're a winner, you will be notified via email. And you can see now, if I'm to refresh this, you see my balance was actually, see, they took 50 USD from for this lottery number. So basically, this is how the website actually works. So the next thing I to show you guys how to actually set this up for yourself. So log into your cPanel, then click on File Manager, click on that. Click on File Manager, scroll down, click on Public Orders for HTML, then you upload your file here. If you upload your file and you have extracted the file, you will see all this here. So you have to create a database. So to create a database, click on Search here, DB or Database Wizard, click on that. Okay, just put your database name here. You can say Lotto, then click on Next. Just give it time to load. Then put your username, name the same thing. Then for your password, you can just copy this and use for your password. Then create user. Then click on allow all privileges. Make changes. Then you copy all these details. Then you go back to where your files. Then look for db.php. Click on that, edit. Then edit all the details, your username, password, and db name. So after I've done that, look for this SQL folder. Click on that. Download this file here into your computer, then go back here and search for php myadmin. Click on that. Then this was my file database I created. Then click on import. Choose where you downloaded the file to, then scroll down and click on import. So after I've done that, to set up your SMTP, so users to actually receive mail, come down here, look for, go down, Look for mail.php, click on that, click on edit. Then just set up all these details here according to your email, your webmail you created. So just put your host there, your email, then your password. So that is it for this video. So if you follow this step properly, your site should be loading perfectly. So bye for now. See you in the next one.